What's up, Kid 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to do an unboxing, well, an unpackaging of the Tudia merge case. They were kind enough to send me a case out for my TCL 10 Pro and my LG Velvet. But as you can see, we're gonna test out the one on my TCL 10 Pro. I want to say thank you Tudia, because I was really waiting for a case for the TCL 10 Pro, and now that I have a case, I will be using my TCL 10 Pro a lot more. So let's get started. Let's open up the package like so. Pull out the case. As you can see, well, yes, this is a two-part case. Nice. Has a nice grippy feel to it. I thought this case looked a little thicker when it was in the packaging, but it actually isn't. It's very thin and slim, and it's black. Has a nice little feel to it, and it's a two-part case. But you don't really have to take this case apart in order to put the phone in. So I'm gonna throw the phone in like so. Get rid of this nasty plastic one. Put it in like so. Boom. That is a nice fit. I like how that fits. Slim. It does not add too much bulk to the phone. So let me take you, let's do a walk around the device. So at the top here, you have all your cutouts. You have your headphone jack, a cutout for your IR blaster, and your mic, and a cutout for your speaker, some kind of speaker of one sort. Then on this side you have your Google Assistant button, and it's clicky. Then on the bottom here you have your cutout for your speaker grill and your charging port. Then on the right side here you have your volume up and down button, and your power button. And on the back here you have every cutout for your camera. It's very good, snug, fits like a glove. And then on this side here you have little ridges for gripping, and they're on both sides of the device. And I really love the way this feels. So I'll have a link to where you can pick up this Tudia merge case. So I just want to say thank you Tudia for giving me a chance. Rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.